Yo, man, what's up? It's your boy G Stunner, aka Young Goon, you know. I came here to talk about what happened with the Super Bowl approximately 7 days ago from now, when them Colts got beat and defeated badly by the Saints, you know. Everybody was all talking about how the Colts was gonna beat the Saints, and I was like the only one out here talking about the Saints was gonna beat the Colts. Guess I was right, that's what it is. Got that L on deck, you know. Came out there and destroyed them punks, yo. You know what? I made $300 off of the game. Plus, let me tell you what else I got. I got fresh new PSP. You know, it came with 3 games. It came with Grand Theft Auto, Liberty City Stories, Dragon Ball Z. I don't play that. I think about selling this. And it came with Final Fantasy. You know. But yeah, let me show you what else I got though. That's not all of it though. It's not all what I got. Got me a brand new Dell laptop computer though. Actually, I'm not even gonna use it. I'm thinking about selling it though. I'm thinking about putting this on Craigslist or eBay or something. And then y'all want it, I think about giving it away. But I don't want it. Why would I want that for if I had this, you know? Shit's crazy, but still, it's not about them Colts, man, no. To all y'all Colts fans, I feel sorry for y'all. I'm sorry for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Especially the ones who betted money against me. But that's what it is. It's about them Saints though. And I put 5 on it. Actually, matter of fact, I put 100 on it that they gonna make it again next year. If y'all want to bet, we throw money on it. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, if any of y'all want to hit me up with my sidekick, you know what I'm saying? Just hit me up like on MySpace or YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Hey man, chill out, Alan. You little faggot.